Have you ever wondered if your Tesla beeps when you reverse? It's a question that might seem trivial, but it's actually a crucial safety feature that can prevent accidents. In this video, we're going to delve into the intricacies of Tesla's reversing system and answer the burning question, does it beep when you reverse? Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why a reversing beep is so important. Imagine backing out of a parking lot or driveway. You're focused on the road ahead, but there's always the possibility of something or someone being behind you. A reversing beep serves as an auditory warning, alerting you to potential obstacles and helping you avoid collisions. Tesla's reversing system. Tesla vehicles are equipped with a sophisticated reversing system that incorporates a variety of features to enhance safety. One of these features is the reversing beep, which is designed to sound when the vehicle is in reverse gear. The beep is typically a series of short, sharp tones that are emitted at a regular interval. The reversing beep in action. To demonstrate how the reversing beep works, let's take a look at a Tesla in action. As the driver shifts the gear selector into reverse, you'll hear the distinct sound of the reversing beep. This auditory cue serves as a reminder to the driver that the vehicle is moving backward, and it can help them stay aware of their surroundings. Customization options. Tesla vehicles offer a degree of customization when it comes to the reversing beep. In some models, drivers have the option to adjust the volume or frequency of the beep. This allows them to tailor the sound to their personal preferences and ensure that it is audible enough to be effective. Additional safety features. In addition to the reversing beep, Tesla vehicles are equipped with other safety features that complement the reversing system. These features may include rear-view cameras, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide a comprehensive safety solution for drivers. Exceptions and considerations. It's important to note that there may be certain situations where the reversing beep may not activate. For example, if the vehicle is parked on a steep incline or if the driver has disabled the feature through the vehicle settings. It's always recommended to consult the owner's manual for specific information regarding the reversing beep and other safety features. So, does Tesla beep when reversing? The answer is yes, it does. The reversing beep is a valuable safety feature that can help prevent accidents and ensure the well-being of both the driver and pedestrians. By understanding how the reversing beep works and utilizing other safety features, Tesla drivers can enhance their driving experience and drive with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.